A U.S. sales preview, Toyota is rebooting its manufacturing, and Magna's autonomous technology meets pizza. Good morning, I'm Angelina Zarnecki. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, an update on the United Automobile Workers strike against the Detroit Three.
Bargaining is always a two-way street. We have been willing to make moves on things. We've made movement on things. We've tried to accommodate some concerns that companies have, but at the end of the day, then they seem to move the goal line.
That's Shawn Fain, the UAW's president, on Friday, speaking outside its headquarters.
What's really frustrating is that I believe we could have reached a compromise on pay and benefits, but so far the UAW is holding the deal hostage over battery plants.
Friday, the UAW expanded its strike to Ford's Explorer factory in Chicago and GM's crossover plant near Lansing. A last-minute call prevented walkouts at Stellantis. In total, 25,000 workers, 17% of the union's membership, are on strike. Follow Automotive News for the latest in negotiations. The Federal Reserve's rate increase for new and used vehicles is at its highest in 23 years, according to data compiled by Cox Automotive. Its chief economist said interest rates weren't expected to go up anymore, but despite the increase in average monthly payments, consumers and fleet owners continued to purchase new vehicles, in part to increased inventory on lots. Visit autonews.com for details on sales estimates and if the UAW strike has an impact. Toyota is radically changing its manufacturing to boost its competitiveness in the electric vehicle market. In a two-day event, the Japanese automaker unveiled details on a six-step process. A project general manager of Toyota's newly established BEV factory said, though starting late in the progress, we hope to leapfrog ahead of Tesla this way. For more on how the automaker will change its famed manufacturing system, check out the story on autonews.com. And finally, Magna's autonomous tech is ready to kick off pilot pizza delivery with Marcos Pizza. Magna is providing the pizza chain with autonomous and electric solutions for last-mile delivery. In the upcoming months, the two companies will discuss proof of concept followed by pilot projects in North America, collecting data on last-mile delivery usage rates, customer acceptance, and overall efficiency. For industry news, stay with autonews.com. Thanks for watching.